Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check battery temperature on TECLAST T60 using Ampere App. To check battery temperature, go to Play Store and search for Ampere. Then download this blue app, install, and then press on open. And now you can click on consent and OK, and here is your battery temperature, as well as other data about your battery and your device. And if you want to change the unit of temperature, click on settings in top right corner, then basic settings, and click on this option once, and it will change the unit when you click on it once. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.